On the ninth day of Christmas, Chandler came to me. Teacher's acting really silly.
Girls, we are going to stop. We're going to make a Christmas card. Now you see you're going to use your fingerprints, and all you're going to need is this brown paint.
I would like to do a red heart.
No, we're doing fingerprints. Do you see fingerprints today for your parents?
I think my parents would like a red heart.
No, we're doing fingerprints. Okay? So you're going to take that piece
Whatever.
of white paper and you're going to fold it like I did. Okay? Fold it in half.
Like
Now, fold
this?
it. No.
Like a hot dog?
No. Like a hamburger, not a hot dog. Make it a hamburger.
I've never had a hamburger.
Oh my. Missy. You like that right there, okay? So now you're going to take your
I
finger.
got my ears.
I want you to
Look at
take
me.
one finger, and just barely put it into the paint like that, okay? So that you get just a little bit of paint on there, and then you're going to stick it on your, quit looking at it, it's not to drink, and you just barely got to put your fingerprint on there, okay?
Okay.
All right, y'all
So
ready?
2 fingers?
One finger right now, okay?
Okay.
Use one finger.
Okay.
You got it?
Okay.
Now, is that one finger?
Oh.
Oh, dab it off.
Okay.
Now, put it down on your paper, okay?
Okay.
Now, put it on yours.
So how are we gonna make the whole fingerprint be on there?
Just put
How are
one-
we gonna dab it?
Just put it right like that, right there. No, you use your paper, Miss Lacey. Now, use your other finger
Mhm.
right
I
there.
thought we were just supposed to do 1 finger.
You are. Well, she had it on both fingers, so
You can't see my fingerprint. I don't think I did.
We'll try it
right.
again with less paint.
Okay.
Try it again. Oh, awesome! You did such a good job. Look,
Like
look
that.
at hers.
Like that.
Okay.
It's not even
That's,
that good.
yeah, that's right. Now try another one. You can use a different finger if you want to, Lacey. Okay. Labria, have you got the hang of it yet? It's looking pretty good. Try another one.
I think I should do it like this.
Oh, wait a minute.
Oh.
Wait a minute.
Hit the button. Hit the
I-
button. You want me to go hit the button,
No,
Miss Taylor?
I need you to calm down. Just calm
Ooh.
down. Try
You're gonna
not
get in
to do
trouble.
that. Try
Oh,
not to
no.
do that again, okay? Okay, do you want to try another finger? Are you sure about that? Labria, try your thumb. Oh my, oh Lacey, that's looking really, really good. Oh, Labria. Oh, high five, Labria. Oh, wait a minute. Not with that hand. High five with that hand. Thank you, girl. Did a good job.
This
Let's
kind of
see.
looks like a toe.
Well, at least it's your thumb, okay? Now got it there? Now let's see. Labria, you gonna try again? Oh, now wait. You're gonna have to wipe some of that off. Here, wipe it off. Where you gonna put it? Wipe it off. Oh, girl.
Oh. Mr. Collins!
Okay,
Mr.
okay.
Collins!
I think we've had enough. Let's just put this up for today. And
But I was
let me
doing
see,
good.
Can you go get some wet wipes for my face, young lady? Or don't. All right. Do you think that's enough? We're through. I've had enough. You cannot participate anymore.
That's for you, Miss Taylor.
Thank you, Lacey, but you didn't have to do that. Okay, we have finished our lesson for today. We'll take it up another day, okay? No.
It's all your fault.
I did the best I could, Lacey.
Well, I want to finish mine. Can we finish them tomorrow?
We'll finish them tomorrow. Do you think you can come back tomorrow with a better attitude and not paint the teacher?
Yes, ma'am.
Okay, thank you very much.
I don't know if she can or not.
She's going to try. She's going to try. Now, don't cry. Don't cry. No crying.